Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Sharp microwave customer has given me this inside. She said inside the plate is not moving. So let's see. Put water. See, I put the mug. This glass is there, but it's not spinning. So this plate actually is not moving. It should spin. So actually, there's its problem is there is lock. There is one lock. That lock has missing from here. See, there was lock for this, same like that. Yeah, it should be. You can see, you take a plate and test it here. Yeah, this correct. So this lock actually it was missing. Yeah, see. So this lock has missing, that's why you can buy it from Sharp or online also. You can buy this lock. Then there bears after changes this, if this not working, then you have to change. There is motor inside from below. You have to open there. There is a small motor. This kind of very small motor. It's moving. It's working exactly like this. Yeah, exactly like this. So you have to change this motor. So let's see. I have connected the connector lock. I put water. See, now it's spinning. So thank you dear viewers. So it was problem only lock was missing from there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.